Hello, this is Omega. You probably already knew that. But anyway, Silver Machine 9000 has requested that you not throw any hard objects at your computer screen. If you do so, I will get Larry the Cable Guy to come to your house and shove a dog bone down your throat and a hungry Walkwiler up your behind. That will really hurt you, and you will not be able to watch any videos anymore. Anyway, sit back, enjoy the video, and always hear that Larry the Cable Guy will be coming through your house. I am sorry, I messed up that one. I am just a trash can. Enjoy the video already.
And we'll wait and ruin them the rust of our cravings. It feels like, don't you know the cost of your betrayal? You're the one that's lost, you're gonna fail. It feels like you're gasping with all your might. You can't take away my strength, fix these broken things. There's nothing left to fight. It will let me go. Can't take away my pride. I won't be denied. There's nothing left to fight. It will let me die. Insects walk below. I'm on the wire. Fire will burn below, but I am higher. It feels like, don't you know the cost of your betrayal? You're the one that's lost, you're gonna fail. It feels like you're gasping with all your might. You can't take away my strength, fix these broken things. There's nothing left to fight. It will let me go. Can't take away my pride. I won't be denied. There's nothing left to fight. It will let me go. Do you remember how you became who you are now? Do you remember how it felt to breathe without gasping with all your might? You can't take away my strength, fix these broken things. Nothing